frozen Italian sausage with a cup of water. Close it. Make sure all of this is right. Oh. Custom time down to 20 minutes and start. Non-stick stock pot, boiling water, Rotinis going in. Now we're going to chop an onion. All chopped up. They are now in the 10-inch non-stick skillet with some salt and pepper. Waiting for their friend the garlic to arrive in just a second. They're getting their sizzle on. One of the best smells in the world. And here we have our garlic waiting for its turn. Garlic is in. Here it goes in. Well, it should be just plain tomato sauce, but you know, I had marinara, so we'll go with marinara. I added some Italian seasoning. And this is what makes me happy. Yeah, the heavy whipping cream going in. Trust me. Just keep stirring. Okay, now we're going to go drain this in the large mesh colander. Okay. Now for the magic.
Later I fell in a...
Andrew, shh. When you have a 5-year-old, you never have quiet. Releasing the steam. Oh, here's this gloriousness. Yummy. And the sausage. Again, I shredded some Parmesan cheese. That's the fine adjustable grater. And there you go. Italian sausage with rotini and an orange sauce. Yummy.